So my mom ordered me this chair off Amazon. It came with this little cup holder, goes on the side, and this pillow. I liked it so much, I wanted a matching one, so I ordered another one, but it came with this cup holder. The pillows are also very different. As you can see, this one's a lot bigger and thicker, and this one's a lot smaller. The one my mom got me has a really nice clean cut seam. This one does not. I also feel like this padding isn't as nice as this one. It also seems like it's an inch shorter than this one too, but the overall chair seems good. I thought that was kind of odd because when both the headrests are on and you look from afar away, you can see these do not match up, which I notice every time I pull out of my driveway. So it's a little upsetting because I'm a bit OCD, and I also would think the products would be the same. Oh, and it didn't, this one came with a cushion and this one didn't. Weird.